guys, it's BunnyMonrow. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you guys how I do a makeup tutorial for webcam modeling. I get a lot of comments on my makeup and I'm pretty actually happy about that because I just do whatever I think looks good, and I guess everyone else thinks it looks really good because I'll be on cam and people be like, your eyeliner is like bomb, or your eyeshadow, damn, it's always my eyes. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, and then I'm gonna hop on cam and get some more compliments on my makeup. I use an eyeshadow primer. I love this one, Urban Decay. Just do that on my eyelids. I recommend this product. It's lasted me so long and I use it every single time. Priming your eyelids, I think, are important. Keeps the product on longer. And then I use any type of primer. Right now, today, I'm going to use Too Faced primer, hangover primer. I wish they had an actual hangover primer remedy in real life. You guys are going to laugh. I get compliments on my eyes every single day, okay? I use the cheapest eyeshadow ever. I can't even believe it. Color Change Revlon. I got this at Belle's Outlet. I just was like, this is $3. This probably isn't gonna work, but I mean, it's $3. I love pink, so I got it for the pink, basically. And man, that was the best $3. Sometimes that's where it's at. It's not in these really expensive products. And then I use Naked 2 Urban Decay, which is a little more pricey, but I like to use this one. Can you guys tell? It's all out. I'm using the edge now. Basically put it in the corner of my eye. You don't need to get naked, but I really like this stuff. It just stays on. And then I put this brush back. I got this, it's called Visanti brush. I really like this brush. The Contour Eyeshadow number 4, if anyone wants to get it. So then what I do is I just sweep it up. Kind of like you're gonna do like a wing. Just sweep it over. I do this with purple, with blue. This is what I do. I just bring it over until it looks about right. I like do it halfway. I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but trust me, it gets better. Tarte Sex Kitten, it's called, eyeliner. Angle it with the end of the eyeshadow. I don't do my eyebrows at all. I don't touch them, but I used to do them with Anastasia dip dye. I don't do them. I actually got the ombre powder. It's basically almost a tattoo, so my eyebrows always look like this. If anyone wants me to do a video about that experience and what it is and stuff, I can do one of those. Just let me know, I guess. Let that dry. CoverGirl Supersizer Fiber. That's good. And then I do this eyelash. L'Oreal Ultra Black Infallible Matic. I really like it. I'll probably buy it again. I get compliments on this every day. I'm not kidding you. True Match L'Oreal. I'm a W2 and I use my orange egg. Okay, I really would like to find organic foundation that's good. So if anyone has any product recommendations for something equivalent to how this looks, I would really appreciate that. You always need to do your neck. Just with the leftovers. Okay. So this is actually a vegan product. I'm so happy I found. I would love to share it with everyone. It's called Aesthetica. It's a translucent setting powder. It's on Amazon. I got rid of my cheap Walmart brand, changed to this, and yeah, it's more pricey, I guess. I don't know how much it is. You could look on Amazon. It's not too much. It's so good though. I use it every single time I do my makeup. And this is what they call a holy grail, I guess. Never used that word, I don't think. But that's a makeup term I've heard before. This is my holy grail. This is the best thing I've ever found. I will always buy this. It feels like nothing is on my face. It doesn't feel all cakey, heavy. It's really good. I do my photo shoot makeup with this stuff now. I don't even use my MAC powders anymore. So if you take anything from this video, take this powder. I use Ofra bronzer, matte, versatile bronzer, and then I just basically pull it from here my cheekbone and underneath my jawline. The edges of my nose. And then up here, my forehead. And then I use Milani Dulce Pink. It's a baked powder blush. You get this in a drugstore too. I love this blush. I use Ofra again. I like Ofra highlighter, Sea Shimmer. I use this highlighter brush. It's from Wet n Wild. P75. It's really good. I use this every day too. I do the tip of my nose. I do my cheekbone right there, like the temple part. And I do the tip of my upper lip. I normally do the corner of my eyes with this. I'm kind of going for a pinker look today because underneath this, I can't show you guys, I don't think, on here, but my outfit's going to be pink lingerie. So I use Ciate London in Matchmaker. It's a highlighter. It's really pink. I use this. I just use a little brush. And then I go in the corner. I take my mascara and I do the bottom. Last thing is I do some Revlon Colorstay. This isn't my favorite color, but it's magenta. My favorite one I ran out of. It's a little lighter than this one, different shade, but this is what I've been using every day now. I am really into this product though, Revlon Colorstay, because I was always a huge advocate for MAC lip liners. I never used anything else. And then I decided, you know what, maybe I should try this out. How bad could it be? And it's the same thing. That's unnecessary noise. So then take that off. This is my makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope it helped someone. I'd like to see you guys recreate my look. See you in my next video. Let me know suggestions on what video I should do next. Follow my Instagram, BunnyMonrow. My Twitter is the same, BunnyMonrow. Subscribe, thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video.